So how you can organize tabs on mobile Chrome browser. Tabs you open for different purposes, these are important, so that once you will return you can easily find them. Okay, just it is like finding a needle in haze. Okay, so how you can do that, you can see I have organized this health tab, and this one is on sports. Okay, so you can also do so easily. How you can do that I'll show you. Okay, so now first of all you can see this is related to translation. Okay, these two tabs actually. Okay, if you see, this one is on translation and this also. First one is Swedish to English and last one is Mexican to English. Okay, so I will simply bring it. Okay, on the Mexican, on this Swedish. Okay, so now it will ask you to add a name. Okay, and you can change the color also. Okay, you have lots of colors to choose, and done. Okay, so now you can see these two tabs under translate. Okay, next if you want to open a new translate tab, for example Spanish to English, then you don't tap on this plus icon over here. Rather, what you can do, you open this translate group. Okay, then you will find a new this plus icon over here. Okay, you have this plus and you should tap over here. Okay, not here. So I hope you understood this concept. Okay, next how you can, if you click on this sign over here, three dot. Okay, so you will find actually option to manage them. So if you close, it will be closed. Okay, close means closed. You can see closed. Okay, next if you see this rename, if you tap, you can write, means you can rename it. For example, gym, instead of health you can write as gym. Okay, so let me show you that one. Done, continue. So you can see updated. Next if you come to this ungroup section over here, you can ungroup them. Okay, so you can see both sports tabs now in ungroup mode. Okay, both. Next you have this option. If you come and you want to bring here two tabs are there. Okay, if I bring one more tab over here, for example under this gym, okay, and I want to bring it out the sport, so you simply hold it. Okay, and if you just simply bring it down, you will have the option remove tab from the group. Okay, so in this way you can remove it. So I hope you understood this concept. Please like this video and wish you all the best. Take care. Bye.